Hello and welcome to CJM Military Certificates and More. We are so glad you visited us. We've been in business for over 20 years and now we have a new setup for our website so that we can share all of our designs through Corjl. I want to show you how to go through the website in order and how to be able to work and edit your Corjl orders. Then you go to your email and you're going to receive, this is what your confirmation is going to look like for your order, whatever you decided to order, okay? And then once you click on, you'll get another website from Corjl. You click on the Corjl, it's going to say edit your item. When you click on edit your item, it's going to take you right to Corjl. And they're going to ask you to log in. If it's your first time as a customer, you're going to create an account with them so you can log in and see all the certificates that you ordered. So these were ordered yesterday, so I can just give you an idea of what it looks like. Now the one that's complete has already been downloaded, or you can just download it again by clicking download. Now, if I want to work on the next one on the list, I just click on it. Here's a certificate. So I can go ahead and change the information by clicking on it. So it shows up right here in the box. So I could write here, or I could write right here on the computer for the veteran's rank. So I'm just going to put captain. Okay. Now I'm going to go ahead and change the font for that. So I'm going to highlight it. And over here I can pick whatever font I want. So I chose Afterglow Regular. Okay. 28 point. So let's bring it down to 26. Okay, great. Now I'm going to go ahead and do the next one, the name. All right, we're just going to put Thomas Jefferson. Okay, there we go. And I'm going to go ahead and change that font as well. So I'm just going to highlight it. Go over here, click on Afterglow Regular, and let's bring that down. It's 30 points, so let's bring it down to, let's see, 28 point. All right, that's what it looks like right now. All right. All right, there we go, Thomas Jefferson. Now, all I need to do is put in the business name. So here I am. Okay, CJM certificates. Okay, and we're in Arizona. So I'm gonna go ahead and let's see if it gives me more space. Let's click on this. Okay. I want more space to write, so I'm just gonna move it up there. I just had to click on it with the mouse and then scoot it up to where I want it. And it has these little circles there, and it tells you when it's in the center by the pink line. There you go. Pink line will show up if it's in the right place. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and add the city and state. Paste in Arizona. Okay. And that's a Georgia font right there. That's fine. Actually, I think I'm going to prefer Times New Roman, so I'm going to highlight it and come down, click on here, go to Times New Roman. Let's see. Okay, I don't see a Times New Roman on here, so I will leave it Georgia. Yeah, Georgia bold. And then I'm gonna go ahead and move that date because I rather another place. I'm gonna click here. I'm gonna move the date down further. Okay, that looks like a good spot. Showing up pink. Okay, so that's all I needed to do to complete the certificate. So now I'm gonna go over and save it. Let's see. Okay, so right here, you see this on the side? This is how you control the certificate. So you just click Save Changes. All right, it's complete. So the certificate's complete, the changes have been saved. And now all you gotta do, you can either revert to the original or you can just download. So you click download and here it is, PDF. Next. Okay, there it is in PDF. And okay, download PDF. Okay, then you can save it wherever you want to save it on your computer. Okay, so we're just going to go ahead and save this. I'm just going to put it inside Documents. Okay, CJM Certificates. Okay, and just put it inside a new folder for certificates. Corjl. Okay. All right, guys. It has been saved. So now you could just open it up. And you can go ahead and just print it on your printer. Just click print. All right, it's on LaserJet. I'm gonna switch the printer real quick. Oh, that doesn't do color. So let's do LaserJet. Okay, print. All right, so I'm going to show you what it looks like after it's printed. But we do use parchment paper. We use a natural beige or just a gray blue, really soft color parchment paper. All right, here it comes. All right, so now here is the certificate that we just made. And you can print as many of them as you like. Okay, so it's super exciting, super easy to do, and a lot of fun. So definitely try it.